Hi guys, today I received this 5 to 6 inch Retrofit recessed LED lights for reviewing purposes. It's a pack of 12 recessed LED lights. They're really nice because it has a very bright, high brightness. It uses 12 watts. It has a long work life, and it's really nice. And they're actually really easy to use. You can use retrofit models. As you can see, and here we've got the instructions, the description, all the specifications, and as you can see, we've got here the 12 lights, and they're nice because with the retrofit mount, you can screw it like this, like a roller bulb, and you just place this in the wall. You've got different lumens configurations. I'm gonna leave it at 3000K. These are really nice. You can just connect them, and this adjusted first in the ceiling, and then you just plug it in when you are ready. Okay, so they are really nice, easy to connect. So let's go ahead and install them. I'm gonna place them in here in the wall, go facing to this part of the wall so I can have a little bit more of illumination. Okay, so let's go ahead and install them. Come on. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's already installed, and as you can see, it's really easy to install them. Just a few basic connections, and it's really ready. They are quite nice. I like them. And when you turn on, you've got two modes. This like backlight, which looks really nice. It's perfect, like an ambient light, night mode, however you want it. And if you turn off the light again and turn it on, you've got this light going up. I choose this warm light because I like a lot how it looks, and as you can see, it's really easy to install, really easy to use. I like them a lot. It's really nice that you've got 12 of them. You can put them wherever you want across your room. They are really nice. Okay, so I would really recommend them. As I've said, they are really easy to install. I like a lot that you've got this option that you can select the temperatures. If you, I don't know, during the day have more white light, a colder white, you can leave them so it's like the 6K lumens. This one, you can set it up and install them, and then later in the night you can just turn it off, turn it on, and you got this warm backlight that it looks really nice. Okay, so I will really recommend them. See ya.
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.